How do plants get all the energy they need to function? Are they fed with loads of Red Bull, Monster, and Rockstar? This video is not a paid endorsement.
Well, plants get their energy from a process called photosynthesis. It is the process of where plants and other organisms convert light energy into chemical energy, which, as a result, helps fuel the cell. The types of organisms are called photoautotrophs because they get food by themselves from the sun.
I still don't understand the definition. I speak no English.
Well, you need to get a dictionary and learn the English language, stupid. In a nutshell, photosynthesis is where the sun gives the plant energy.
Well then, where in the plant does the sunlight
Does it enter through the plant's mouth?
Well, not exactly, Axel. First, the sunlight penetrates the epidermis of the leaf. Then the substance chlorophyll, which is located in chloroplast, absorbs the light.
What's the chemical equation of photosynthesis?
It's 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O, resulting in
Glucose.
C6H12O6 plus 6O2.
Well then, what type of reaction is photosynthesis?
It's a redox reaction, silly goose, because CO2 is converted into sugars through a process called carbon fixation.
What is the Calvin cycle?
Well, the Calvin cycle is a metabolic pathway found in the stroma of the chloroplast in which carbon enters through the form of CO2 and leaves in the form of sugar.
Can you reiterate what a photoautotroph was?
Well, a photoautotroph is, well, first of all, an autotroph gets their food by themselves, and photo means light, so they get their food from the sunlight.
Oh, okay, thank you.
What are the different parts of photosynthesis?
The different parts of photosynthesis are the light-dependent reaction, the Calvin cycle, the ETC, and also the light-independent reactions. And I was just told that that was a Calvin cycle, so I apologize. And the light-dependent reactions happens in the granum, and it produces ATP and NADPH. And the Calvin cycle produces ADP plus phosphate plus NADPH to NADP plus.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any other questions, Axel?
Oh, I do. Can you reiterate what a redox reaction is?
Well, a redox reaction is a reaction where is a chemical reaction that involves the transfer of electrons between two species. And in this case, in photosynthesis, it is all that ATP and good stuff.
Like weed.
And it is not like weed. They're both different chemical substances.
Shout out to the quiet one.
Okay, Christine, do you have a question?
What do chloroplasts do?
Well, chloroplasts are the food producers of the cell.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. So what's a chlorophyll?
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Well, according to Google, the chloroplasts are the food producers of the cell, Daniel. And Google is not a liar. I think Google needs to get some new friends. Well, I don't have any friends, so that would be a difficult objective. So, Axel, to answer your question, chlorophyll is a term for several closely related green pigments that make the plant green.
You're not even
no other further questions, I think this informational video is done. Special guest featuring Eddie Lynn. Special guest featuring the quiet one. Special guest, the freshman drug dealer.
Wow.
And you got the Frenchman.
Okay.
I don't know what the hell that is. And you got the other Frenchman.
No, he's a French.
Show yourself, bonjour. 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 J'aime les
Oh,
bites.
you can see. Okay, are we done now?
Yeah.
A+.